Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on the 10th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of September 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and moderately increasing trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 4.17% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.157% to 14%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it implies a change of about 22.78% over the next year, with a possible return between 1.81% and 34.87%. This equates to a price range of around $224.09 to $296.87 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Evaluation of Apple stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Apple stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.362% during the last trading session on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, falling from $220.91 to $220.11. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.19%, reaching a low of $216.73 and a high of $221.48. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 3.11% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally seen as a positive sign, as volume should correspond with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 15 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $11.27 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $237.23, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the stock price stands 7.22%, or $17.12, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple continues to be a focal point in the tech industry, highlighted by a recent report which positions it among the Magnificent Six, alongside major players like Microsoft and NVIDIA in the artificial intelligence and tech landscape. This endorsement from analysts indicates that APL remains a strong contender in the ongoing artificial intelligence investment race, potentially driving upward momentum in its stock price. However, investor sentiment remains cautious following Apple's launch of the iPhone 16. While the event introduced new artificial intelligence features, doubts linger about whether they will trigger a substantial upgrade cycle. Analysts are optimistic about an artificial intelligence-driven boost in sales, yet some caution that a sluggish rollout of these innovations might constrain short-term growth. Additionally, ongoing scrutiny from European regulators poses challenges for Apple. Antitrust decisions could impact the company's operational strategy and profitability in the European Union, potentially creating volatility in its stock price. Furthermore, a recent study revealed that Apple and Alphabet lag in reducing business travel emissions, risking a return to pre-pandemic levels. This could affect their reputations in terms of sustainability, which is increasingly important to investors. In the long term, if Apple effectively leverages its advancements in artificial intelligence and wearables while navigating regulatory hurdles, it could solidify its market position. As we look ahead, Apple's strategic moves in technology and compliance will be crucial in determining its stock trajectory for both short and long-term investors. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Oppenheimer rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that day, KeyBank assigned a negative rating to Apple Inc., but recommended an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Piper Sandler provided a cautious rating for Apple Inc. with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS rated Apple Inc. as neutral and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. However, in terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock is experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $222 and $21.20. A breakout above either of these levels may generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 29th, 2024, with the stock having declined by 4.21% since then. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 16 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 78 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $213.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.75 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 2.19%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A P/E ratio in this range is generally considered normal, particularly for companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts currently estimate earnings to be around $1.59 per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at 220.91. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at 213.07. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo sold 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 97,600 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 4,500 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power has been negative, with a ratio of negative 33.140. In total, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple's performance will be weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we are revising our assessment of this stock to a negative outlook. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our recommendation from hold or accumulate to sell. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we expect Apple to open lower by 67 cents and initiate trading at $219.44. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.